Okay, guys, if you want to add custom attributes per product, I've added a test product. There's a test description and test description here. Okay, under custom product options, you have to choose now the form fields that you want to add. Let's say we want to choose the size. Okay, let me just run this first. If I chose this one, shirt size, color, brand, that's the custom or the default one I made earlier, which a shirt has got a size, it's got a color, it's got a brand. All shirts have the same attributes. So that's the one we would use. Or if it's just caps, then there's headwear where it's just got the size and the color or whatever the case might be. So then you choose that one. But now we need to make it quite customized for some have different colors, some have different sizes. So you can add more of these of here. I'll show you now under custom products. But for now, this is a t-shirt, let's say. Let's say I'm not going to use the standard sizes and colors that I'll always use. So I just want to use size. I want to use the additional notes. And I want them to choose the special colors that we've created. Color 2, color 3, whatever the case might be, say 2. Okay, we've created these earlier over here. I'll show you soon. Okay. So once you've done that, under chose the ones you want, if you then go to your actual test product, click on test product, and you'll see they've got your sizes, you've got your notes, and you can get it's only got these 3 colors. It doesn't have any other colors for the product. And then you choose this one, your quantity, and add to cart. Okay, so that's what I've done here. I've customized each one instead of just using the default one, which is this one over here, which is all your shirt colors and so on. Now, go to custom product add-ons on the left here, and you will see all your different forms that we've added to that product page. Under the custom product add-ons, we've got size, which I've just added, notes, and color 3 and color 2. Headwear and shirt and size I left them there because they're still in use. I see you guys have this one in your boots and your shoes. You've chose this one. I would rather make a new form and call it shoes and add color, branding, size, or just color and size, or black and so on. Okay, so here we've got sizes, branding, color 3 and color 2. So as an example, this color 2, if I click on it, this is the name of the form that's added to the products page. It opens up your editor, and here you've got text fields, text areas, selections, and all that. Text area or text field if you just want them to type in something themselves, like notes and that. This is an options one. If I click the edit button, you'll see I've got green, special, pink, whatever. This could be blue, green, or whatever case you might be. You just call it whatever you want. If you want to add more, another one, I want red, until you're done. Okay, so that's your color update. So the color form is updated. I'll go back to my test product. I've got my sizes, I've got my notes, and my color. I now have the green, the blue, the pink, and the red, which is added. Okay, add quantity, add to cart. Okay, so that's how you have to. Each one of these is a form on its own now. Normally, I made all these 3 items in one form, but now we've got size as one form, notes as one form, and green as one form, or color as one form. We can add another form and call something else. We can keep adding more additional stuff to it. All right. That you do over here. Add custom product add-ons.